Also, New Zealand has come up with a fun ride that has been dubbed the roller coaster of the future. It runs on electricity and is designed for one person. And the coolest thing is that the inner sphere always rotates against the direction of travel.
Hello, I'm back. I want to look at some really cool inventions and give you my review on them. I haven't seen this yet, but I assume, I could be wrong, I hope I'm wrong, but there's probably going to be a lot of overpriced items on here. Significantly overpriced, I think. I'm just guessing. I could be wrong, I hope I'm wrong, but I doubt it. Anyway, without further ado,
Japanese giant Canon, known to many photographers, is working on augmented reality glasses. The Unreal X1 develops and expands the ideas of the previous version, offering not only a life-size world, but also interaction with virtual objects. Among the key innovations, we highlight the expanded field of view of 58 by 60 degrees and the improved displays, 1920 by 2160 for each eye. With the Halo strap, the glasses weigh 359 grams. If that's too heavy for you, there's also a handheld version available. The headset's designed for corporate customers who want a great teamwork experience even when working remotely. While there is no official price listed, the last version was priced at $35,000, so it's safe to assume that the Unreal X1 won't be cheaper.
what was I saying about overpriced? Yeah, I'm not surprised. And for the resolution, I think the resolution sucks, to be honest. Or maybe it's my screen, I don't know. You tell me when you see the video. I don't, for the price, I think it's way overpriced. The resolution for the virtual reality game that I played at Dave & Buster's for $5 was, this is only like a tiny bit better than that to me, and this is for $35,000. Hopefully in the future there will be better quality product. Again, this is way overpriced. This is cost more than a car. I guess this is mainly for training purposes, for maybe hospitals or law enforcement, maybe, or anything, maybe for a company. So this looks more like a corporate purchase for training, more so than anything personal or any type of personal gaming or home use. Still overpriced. Next.
Here's an interesting fact. 1 out of every 63 Americans is employed in the horse industry. And the total impact of this industry on the country's economy amounts to $102 billion. As you can see, horses are highly valued in the US, so there's a lot of innovative products to take care of them. How about these hoof boots? You can purchase a set of 4 boots for $440. They'll not only protect the hooves from damage, but also reduce fatigue by absorbing shocks and providing support. According to the manufacturer, it's an advanced alternative to horseshoes. Plus, buyers can choose from 7 sizes and configure other parameters to suit their needs. To keep up with fashion,
$400. What is this supposed to be? The Jordans of horseshoes? You might as well buy regular horseshoes. I know horses' hooves are like, I guess, fingernails or toenails. Then they can kind of grow like out of, I guess, I don't know, can't find the right term, but I guess they can just grow in different directions or something. And I know they have to be shaven down. I know that. In that case, just buy regular horseshoes. I don't know how much they are, but this looks like horse sandals to me. I don't see the benefit for $400 horseshoes. If they were the same price as, I don't know, human shoes, I don't know. I'm no expert with horseshoes, but $400 is almost like, or are they supposed to be like the Michael Jordan Jordans of horseshoes or something? This is really going with the theme of overpriced to me. Next.
trends, limited edition boots are also available, such as these pink ones that were released for Valentine's Day. We are making the real world obsolete, declared the creators of this VR simulator. This sphere from New Zealand, with a diameter of about 2 meters, allows you to sharpen your skills in controlling a variety of vehicles and is interesting not only civilian but also military customers. A partnership has already been established with the New Zealand Defence Force. The sphere rotates 360 degrees at up to 180 degrees per second, and, thanks to the mounting system, you can easily turn the inside into a plane cockpit or an SUV cabin, and train without risking expensive equipment. A review noted that the internal system of the sphere is compatible with a variety of computer games, like Project Cars and X-Plane. But unfortunately for gamers, it won't be directly sold on the market. The manufacturers prefer to rent out their brainchild for about $150,000 a year.
This is another product I think it's made for more corporate use, like maybe training pilots or training truck drivers. I like how they had him controlling like a mecha that was walking down the building. That's pretty neat. Or yeah, maybe some type of mecha training, or what do I want to say? Jet training, or fighter jet training, airlines training. So this looks more like a corporate tool. I can't, or maybe, who knows, maybe an arcade or a place like Disneyland. Something that's not for personal use, because again, we're going in with a theme of overpriced. I think this is overpriced. And did they say renting it for $150,000? I think I missed that. I don't want to rewind. But yeah, along with this overpriced theme. Anyway, next.
Also, New Zealand has come up with a fun ride that has been dubbed the roller coaster of the future. It runs on electricity and is designed for one person. And the coolest thing is that the inner sphere always rotates against the direction of travel.
Okay, that was another tool, I guess. It continues to be overpriced. Nobody can afford this unless you're really super rich. And who's gonna finance these things anyway? But that personalized roller coaster, if they're really gonna make it for a personalized use, they need to reduce the price again. I see the common theme is just continuing on every product here. Next.
Germany's booming drone market has spurred the development of SUCOM, an innovative cellular communication protocol specifically designed for cargo models. And there are also many drones for recreational use. Here is one that surprises clients with a forward-swept wing. The version with a Cobra brushless motor and a 7,000 mAh battery costs $550, and you need to assemble it. But it is light enough for manual launch, can take off and land vertically, and allows you to shoot spectacular videos.
This thing looks like it can't position itself horizontally. Looks like it's in a constant vertical position the whole time. Like when it's on the ground, when they stand it up, and even when it flies. That's really that's pretty interesting. Something that flies horizontally. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. The whole segment, it was flying vertically, or basically floating vertically. That was funny.
For many businessmen, it's a dream come true. Fast food restaurants that require no staff. And now, thanks to the team of hyper-food robotics, that dream is a reality. They packed everything a fast food joint needs into a 12-meter container that transforms into a fully-fledged food outlet on site. The first one was assembled for a Pizza Hut restaurant in Israel. it reached a speed of 50 pizzas per hour. The quality remained uncompromised too. When customers were told about pizza made by robots, they were surprised. Of course, the system can make other dishes, such as burgers, salads and chicken wings, and quality control will be provided by 120 sensors and 20 cameras in combination with AI. How can someone make food without passion and heart? People, we should take a stand against these soulless enterprises, write some users. What do you think?
I agree with that comment. I mean, at what point, where are people going to find the money to purchase any of the result of the robots if nobody's working because the robots are working? That's a whole new economic system when you think about it. Not everyone can maintain the robots. So, yeah, and I don't know if they can put the same passion and emotion into the food like people do. I'm gonna go with a no. I don't like this idea. Unless, unless robots fill in on holidays and vacation, and that's specifically their use, their purpose, is to only fill in on holidays and vacation. That would work. But, this is a no. They didn't list the price, or maybe I missed it.
Do you know what glamping is? It's when you relax in nature, but with the comfort of a good hotel.
Yes, I've heard about glamping. I'm all about that. I like regular camping as well, but I like glamping. Before he even says it, watch the cost of this thing just be way out of anybody's reach, realistically. I expect it.
The term appeared not so long ago, but manufacturers quickly saw the point of the new trend and started making glamping trailers, or glampers. This luxurious model was developed in New Zealand. It's already available for $272,000.
Who's gonna pay that much for a glorified camper? Even if I had the money, I would not. That's a mortgage. That's more than some people's homes, even in this crazy housing market. That's a stupid price. It's nice though, but still a stupid price.
Measuring 930 centimeters in length, it boasts a fully equipped kitchenette, a bathroom, a shower, a water heating system and a toilet, and a dining area that easily converts into a cozy bedroom. Plus, when you turn the inner section of the trailer by 90 degrees, you get a veranda. And after a day of fun, you can enjoy your favourite movies or shows on the projector with an 82-inch pull-down screen, or on the built-in 32-inch TVs with 4K support. If you
Still, the price is a no for me.
have some money left after purchasing the previous glamper,
And that's funny. Who's gonna have money left over after paying $250,000 for a glorified camper?
you can buy this thermal vision monocular. Weighing just 170 grams, it's small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to spot foxes and squirrels from up to 90 meters away, with a battery life of up to 5 hours. The camera can...
I've already got one. I've got a binocular camera that shows night vision. I can see at night. It's thermal. I'm guessing the price of this is going to be high. I'm guessing I paid way less for mine, for my binocular night vision, than this thing. So, again, these things are way overpriced. I know I paid less. Let's see. Let's find out.
Deactivated in 5 seconds and can be used at temperatures between -20 and +40 degrees Celsius. So it's the perfect all-season tool for people who are not used to this kind of technology. Plus, you can capture all the excitement on video or in photos and immediately review your footage on the built-in 640 by 480 display. The device comes with a charging cable, a protective lens cap, and a neck strap. It's priced at $649.
Yes, I paid less, and for that, for the quality, is a no. You can get really high quality night vision with thermals for even cheaper than that. I mean, if you're gonna pay that much, you need to get something that's gonna make it look like it's daytime at least. I don't know. There's some more. There's some higher priced products like this, but to me, they are more. They have a better quality than this does. I paid way less for better quality than they're offering for this one. Actually, I'm gonna stop right here. I think this one here is like some type of remote like device that actually it can crawl on walls and under bridges and something like that, and it uses construction. Actually, it could be used for construction purposes. That's what I'm thinking. And the price for this one, I don't want to know. So I'm gonna stop here. And I just know it's gonna be overpriced, but I'm gonna stop here. I just want to appreciate your time. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And that's all. Thank you so much.